Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is how do you become a property manager. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. So guys, a lot of people have been asking me, how do you become a property manager? And do you have to be a registered company and so on? Here's what I'm going to tell you personally. What I suggest you do is you do not need to register yourself as a company yet until you start generating at least 11k, because you actually get taxed once you hit 11.2 or 11.5k. And so don't bother say that, you know, I'm a registered company and put yourself out there, because sometimes people do this thing where they jump the gun, they say that, okay, this is what I do and blah, 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 and then they're not really doing anything, and then they're not making money from nothing because, you know, they've lost hope or whatever it is that their situation is. And then after, HMRC will come and speak to you saying how you haven't paid for your tax, you could get fined, and the list goes on, and it's unnecessary stress that you really do not need. So what I will say is make sure that you actually start making the money first, and then once you see that, wow, this is amazing, I'm actually making good money, then of course become a registered company, because I need you to be serious on this. It's not a thing where you're one in, one out. You have to be in it, all in. When you work with property, it's a thing where like your whole body needs to be ready. It's not a thing where you can just sit back and relax. Like, no, there's other things that you need to take responsibility of. So for example, the tenants, the property, the running costs, and all of these other things that get involved in it. So I don't want you to think that you're going to come in here and you're just going to think, okay, I'm just going to get property and I'm going to make money from it. If you are a person where you're just an investor, you want to invest in property, then let a property manager company, for example, myself, I run a property managing company as well, but let an agency do it for you. Let them run it for you. So you're still making your money, of course, but let them do it for you if you feel like you just want to be hands off, and that's if you're an investor. But when you're doing a rent to rent strategy and you're doing a property manager, you have to be all in, because you need to show the landlord that I'm a serious person, I can do this, and I can give you your guaranteed rent. Because guaranteed rent is what landlords are looking for, especially the ones that honestly do not want to be hands on with anything. So that is a great tip that I would love to share with you guys, because so many people feel like they should register a company first. Don't bother jump the gun. It's not a thing where it's not a race, you know, like it's fine, calm down. And this is why I say, once again, networking with people is amazing, because imagine there's a sourcer that has a great relationship with the landlord, and you show them that, okay, this is what I do and I believe I could definitely, you know, benefit the landlord. It's a win-win. It's a win-win, but you have to be all in. And once again, it's about your mindset. You need to be confident. You need to know that you are a property manager. When I started, I'm telling you, I had no portfolio. Don't have in your mind that, oh my gosh, I need to have a portfolio. No, you do not have to have a portfolio. All of these things people have, and you know what? If you feel like, okay, I need a portfolio, like I feel safe that way, it's fine. What I will suggest is just have pictures of lovely houses and say, this is what I run. Because at the end of the day, I'm not actually going to say to you, let me speak to that landlord. You can't give that away due to privacy and your terms and conditions and privacy and whatever. If you know what I mean, you know what I'm saying anyway. You guys have already signed an agreement that we will not give your personal details away, and that's it. And I'm telling you, a lot of them, it's not even about let me see your portfolio. It's a thing where it's like, let me see you. Let me see who you are. Let me see how you can do this. And once again, another thing, don't let your color, people have been speaking to me and saying, oh, you know, because I'm black, you know, sound blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter. I'm black. I'm black too. Don't let you being black feel like that's another thing. Like, you can do anything you put your mind to, whatever color you are. Okay? We're equal as one another. We're powerful no matter what. I'm happy that I'm a black woman doing what I'm doing, okay, guys? I honestly, before I actually had that mindset that, oh my gosh, I'm black and, you know, they might blank me and blah, blah, blah. No, but that's me just overthinking, thinking things that I shouldn't be thinking of. Yes, I'm a black woman. Okay, Anne? Yeah, okay. Like, I'd say to myself, oh my gosh, I'm black. And, you know, in case they think, okay, I'm black. Yes, I'm black and I'm proud, mate. So do not let that affect you guys, okay? Don't have that type of mindset. And guys, once again, this was a lovely short video today because I just wanted to share with you that you do not need to have a company, a registered company, in order to be a property manager. And guys, below, click the link to actually access my mastermind, where we have a 4-week mastermind only for $97.99. With this mastermind, I teach you everything in 4 weeks and you will become a pro at it. Okay, guys? And before we end, I want you to follow me on Instagram. It's Abioniru. And yeah, follow me. Show me some love on my content. Comment down below, guys, and tell me as well, what is it you like? Do you like it? Was this helpful? What else you want to know? Because I'm always here to help. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you next week.